5 baking soda drink benefits for health. Here are 5 different baking soda drink benefits and how they can help you stay fit. 1. To improve your digestive system. Trouble with digestion is the type of thing that can derail your day. If you're prone to tummy woes or just want to boost your general health, baking soda can come to your rescue. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water every morning and drink. This will help to maintain a healthy pH balance throughout the digestive system for optimal digestion. 2. To promote cardiovascular health. A compromised cardiovascular system can lead to things such as decreased energy, improper mental functions, improper digestion, and decrease your immunity. A teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water daily will detoxify blood and improve its flow by helping to break down blockages. 3. To reduce bloating. Teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in 4 to 6 ounces of water can significantly help in reducing bloating. It will help in returning the pH to neutral levels. The body's gases will be calmed and the digestive processes, acids, and enzymes can return to their natural state. Food can be broken down normally without issues and disruptions, which reputedly helps alleviate the issues causing your bloat. 4. To keep your kidneys healthy. The kidneys are vital to your bodily functions. With a daily cup of water with a teaspoon of baking soda, you can regulate your body's pH level and help improve your hormone balance, nutrient absorption, and blood quality. All of which can help your kidneys stay healthy. 5. To combat acid reflux. If you chronically suffer from acid reflux, follow this remedy. Half a teaspoon of baking soda with half a cup of water can help you find immediate relief against gastric acid symptoms. So believe it or not, baking soda is the key for your health. Make sure that the concentration of baking soda is limited. Do not overdo it. Thanks for watching. Like, share with your friends and guys, do subscribe for daily health updates.